Captain Coco Finance, money, money, money.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Captain Coco Finance. This is where we learn a little bit about money. For all you kids out there, who knows what money is? Okay, good. A few of you do. Let's talk about the basics of money. The basics of money. What is money? Money is something you give someone and they give you something else. Before, back in olden times, they didn't have money. They would just give something for something, and that was called bartering. Can you say barter? Barter? Very good. For example, how someone's walking on the beach and says, "Here, let me give you some blueberries." And, "Oh, okay, I'll take some wood, blueberries and wood." They changed something for something. But then one day they realized it's better to have something called money. Money can be in lots of different forms. It can be a check, it can be a credit card, it can be coins, it can be paper. There's a difference between money that's earned and money that's given as a gift. Sometimes you work, and people give you money. Sometimes people give you money like your mommy, your daddy, your grandma, or your grandpa, just because they love you, and that's a gift. Working is good because it teaches you responsibility, and it makes you feel good when you make money. There's different kinds of money around the world, and depending on where you are in the world, they have a different kind of money. That's called currency. Can you say currency? Very good. There's different kinds of currencies. Like in the United States and many other countries, we have the dollar. The dollar. Can you say dollar? Very good. In Europe, they have something called the euro. Or over there, they call it euro. In Asia, they have the won, the yen, and lots of different kinds of currencies around the world exist. Okay, boys and girls, we learned a lot today about the basics of money. So remember, be brave, behave, and be happy. Okay, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.
Money with Captain Coco.